girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this. Been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. Low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look and jaded.
I'm finna stand tall in it, all in it. You be on my back like a guard again. Holler again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Banging on the corner, beg my tape to live by. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sun, I made it as a lot. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. I need to go out, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Megalook hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing closure unit from them. I really do like the color. I'm not sure on the exact texture for this one, but it is a curly unit. And as far as the construction on this unit, I would say that this is supposed to be like a glueless unit, and it does have the adjustable strap inside, but it's the kind you can like hook on or hook off. Currently, I don't know where mine is. When I was like washing the hair and everything, I think I like misplaced it and I put it somewhere, so I actually don't have anything like securing this unit down right now, and it's still pretty secure. The only thing that I use to adhere this unit today is some Got2b spray, and it still fits very snug, which I'm surprised about, because a lot of times with these units, like I usually have to like have like the adjustable strap, I have to use the combs in it, outside of the fact that I don't even have the adjustable strap in. I know that I have it like somewhere near, but I just don't know exactly where. I was just like, I didn't want that to stop me from not applying the unit, so I just applied it anyways. It does come with that adjustable strap. Make sure you keep it hooked in if you can, and just try to remember to like put it somewhere safe if you do take it out, because you don't want to be in my situation. Even though I'm in this situation, it still fits snug. So this is a 26 inch, and this unit is very long. It's so pretty. I love the pattern to it. It's just like a nice light wave, like it almost looks like a braid out kind of vibe, and I really do like it. And it also lays like super flat, so I love that. And then today for my part, I did use the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. That's what I use like for my parting space here, and I really like using that, especially when I have colored units, because it helps like the parts stand out a lot more. So that's what I use today. Okay, and this is what it's giving. As far as the density, I'm not sure for the density for this one. I would say it's possibly 180% density, but it could be thicker than that. This is all of the hair up front, and it's still, you know, pretty full. I do like the density for this one. It's not too thin, not too thick. It's just like right there in the middle, just like what it needs to be. Yeah, and I really do like this color on me. I feel like this color complements me very well. Definitely feeling that. you know. And like I said, this is a wave pattern to it. You do need to make sure that you like wet it and then just allow it to air dry in its natural state, and then the curls will come out. Because at first when you look at it, it's like the curls aren't as defined like as they are right now, but you know, wet them up and everything. I don't have any product on it, and this is still how it looks. You know, just wet it, keep it conditioned, let it air dry, and the curls will come out by themselves. Don't try to like comb it too much, because when you comb it, like that'll like mess up the curl pattern. So, you know, just use your fingers to like finger comb it, and this is what you get. Looks so good. I love how deep the parting space is on this one. So I would say this is possibly like a 5x5 closure if I'm not mistaken, which is like the best. You get a decent amount of space here. This looks so neat, so well plucked, just bomb. So definitely use your LA Pro concealer, because I did use that like up in this part too, to just help that like stand out a little bit more. And this is what we're getting, like, yeah, period. Yeah, shout out to Megalook for sending over this unit. I really do like this one a whole lot. I just love this color on me. It just gives every time. But yeah, shout out to Megalook for sending over this unit. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's unit. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.